Okay, so welcome guys. I think everyone are doing good. Okay, so this video will be basically about variables and data types in bashes. How do you write the variables and how do you uh, specify the variables to any echo command so that you can run that variable as an output. Okay, let me show an example. Let me go inside the file which I have created in the last video. That will be first file something. Okay, so let's say you need to create a variable. So how to do that? So basically in every languages, what you do, you specify a variable name, then you specify the same thing you can do here. So let me take in one variable that will be a name. Okay, so in any languages or in other languages, you basically what. So name space is equal to space, and then in the double quotes you specify the name, like doc something like this. But in bash scripting, you should not leave space between this is equal to or name or something like that. You should not leave space, so it should be like this. So if you leave space, it will basically take it as not a variable. Okay, so if you don't leave space, it will take it as what variable. So now you specified a variable. Now how do you run this? How do you run this? Like let me use echo. Then in the double quotes you can specify. So hello comma, if you need to run this particular variable, then you need to specify in a dollar symbol. So dollar symbol, and then you need to specify a variable name. So this will basically what run the uh, variable. Okay, let's see that. Now what I do, okay, you can see the variable name, the value of the variable name was changed to doc. So this is how you can use the variable. So in basically in bash scripting, so there is two types of data types. That will be a string, and then that will be a number, sorry, integer. So string and integer. So if you need to do string, let me go inside the file. Okay, so basically, when you're concatenating this particular string, you do like this. Okay, just give me a minute. So let's say you're concatenating something. You specify a name, and then you what specify a variable name with a dollar symbol. So this is how you can concatenate. But let's say you need to use an integer. Let's say you need to use an integer. What do I do? So then you need to specify a variable, and then you need to specify what a number, and then we need to what output this variable, right? So you use result is equal to. So I said you before, you should not use space between is equal to's. Then you need to specify a dollar. Then inside a small bracket, inside a bracket, you should specify double bracket, not a single bracket. Inside a double bracket. Okay. Now we are doing some operation. Let's say you need to add some more numbers to variable called count. So count plus 5. So this will basically add some more variables, sorry, some more number, like it will add 5 to the variable called count, that which is 10. So the total number will be 15. So this is how you can use the number variable. This is how you can use the integer, sorry. Okay, if I run this file, you can see, okay, I'm not what printing that, sorry, echo, and then dollar symbol, and then result. So this will basically print. Okay, so this will basically print the variable, sorry, integer variable. Okay, so this is how we can use the integer variable. Okay, so this video is basically was how do you actually specify a variable, and how do you actually so there is a two types, that will be what a string and an integer. So I showed you how to use the string variable, and I showed you how to use the integer variable. So thank you for watching. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.